Hey, it's Joe from Webs Online, and today we're going to unbox the EasyPro LA2 aeration kit. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's slide this over just a hair. So right off the bat, got a pretty lengthy section of weighted airline hose. This is 50 feet, 3/8 inch ID tubing. You got your KLC 40 air pump. That's energy efficient, 36 watts, 6-foot power cord. Got your heavy duty valved manifold, 2-way. Got 4 hose clamps. And then finally, we have 2 8-inch weighted rubber membrane air diffusers. So this kit's good for ponds up to about 15,000 gallons at 6 feet deep. And diffused aeration is a vital component of really any fish pond. It's gonna help increase dissolved oxygen levels. It's gonna increase the efficiency of your beneficial bacteria. It's going to improve your overall quality and clarity of the pond. For more information on this kit, feel free to give me a shout. My name is Joe from Webs Online.